A portable fire extinguisher is a first response life safety device that helps prevent or even stop the spread of a small fire. There are 5 main types of fire extinguisher, with the most common being dry powder. The others are water, foam, carbon dioxide and wet chemical. With the prediction of a very hot summer ahead and home entertainment season just beginning, we reckon it's a good time for you to be thinking about fire safety now before it's too late. In most cases, the best fire extinguisher for your home, workshop, shed or barbecue area is the dry powder type that is red in colour with a white horizontal band. These fire extinguishers come in a range of sizes, but the most common for a home, workshop, shed or barbecue area has a 2A 30 BE rating with a 1.5 kilo capacity and a 12-second discharge time. It also comes with a mounting bracket. Larger fire extinguishers are also available if the need arises. To learn more, check out our range of fire extinguishers on the Firewize website.